This video will cover the necessary daily maintenance that you will need to maintain your RI1000X printer. Every 12 hours, the printer display will prompt you to shake the white ink cartridges. Remove the W1A and the W1B from the ink bay. Rotate the white ink back and forth as shown on the display. Rotate them back and forth about 2 times a second for the countdown on the display. Once the countdown is finished, go ahead and return the cartridges into the ink bay. Go ahead and select Yes on the display to confirm that the white cartridges have been shaken. Each day, and before starting any print jobs, perform a nozzle check. A nozzle check will let you know if the printer is ready to print or if any additional maintenance steps are needed. After we've placed our transparent sheet down, go ahead and hit Set. Once the display shows Ready, go ahead and hit the Maintenance tab, select Nozzle Check, and yes, we are sure we want to run this. Inspect the nozzle check. Check to see if any of the lines on the grids are missing. If they are, then you can perform an auto head clean on the appropriate head noted by the number below the grid where the nozzles are missing. Press the Auto Head Clean button. Next, go ahead and select the heads you'd like to clean. Finally, we can press the Cleaning button. The printer will begin cleaning the heads, and it will show the percent up on the top left of the screen. Once it is complete, it will return to a ready status. Go ahead and run your nozzle check again. Go ahead and re-inspect your nozzle check. Please note that if you have sporadic missing whites, this is perfectly fine and will not affect your prints. And with that, you have now successfully finished your RI1000X daily maintenance.